Tired of manually transferring Facebook leads into your other apps? Let's fix that. Today, I'll show you how to automatically connect Facebook leads with Zapier. First, head over to Zapier and log in or create a free account. Click on the Create Zap button in the top left corner. Now, search for Facebook lead ads in the Trigger app search bar and select it. This will be the app that starts our Zap. Next, choose New Lead as your trigger event. This means every time someone fills out a lead form on Facebook, this app will be triggered. Click Continue. Connect your Facebook account by clicking Sign into Facebook lead ads. You'll be prompted to authorize Zapier. Make sure you select the Facebook page associated with your lead ad. Now, choose the specific Facebook page and lead form you want to connect to. Make sure the form is live and has at least one test lead. Click Test Trigger to pull in a sample lead from your form. This will confirm that the connection is working properly. If it's successful, click Continue. Now, let's choose the Action app. This is where you want your Facebook leads to go. For example, you can choose Google Sheets, MailChimp, or your CRM. Let's select Google Sheets for this example. Connect your Google Sheets account just like you connected your Facebook account. Allow Zapier access to your Google Sheets. Choose the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to add the leads to. Now, map the fields from your Facebook lead form to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. This tells Zapier where to put each piece of information. Click Test Action to send a test lead to your Google Sheet. This will confirm that the mapping is working correctly. Finally, turn on your Zap. Now, every time someone fills out your Facebook lead form, their information will automatically be added to your Google Sheet. That's it.